So this is Cursor, and this is a simple Python project. I will start by running this command and it's specdev project, which will initialize the type starting files, and this will create cursor rules for specs and tasks, and it will create also the .specdev folder, which will include the features that we were working on. So we will start with giving a prompt to create some simple feature. Here, the feature is to create an endpoint to request the status of the transcript job. It can be really anything. But before we do this, I want to go to this rule and choose to always apply. And here also we can choose to always apply, and then let's save that. And here we can submit our prompt. So this will think and generate the requirements that will be stored under specdev specs. Here we can see the generated requirements, requirement 1, requirement 2, requirement 3, and so on. And let's just accept that. And here it will ask, do you want does it look good? Do you want to continue? And I will say yes. Then it will proceed with creating the design document. Here it created a folder called transcript job status for this feature, and here only the requirements document, and then it will create now the design document. So this is a design document, and usually it should contain some diagrams, but here I think there isn't. We can also see how it looks like here. Yeah, let's accept that, and then I would say yes, looks good. Then it will start to create the tasks document. Here, this is the tasks document. And there is also another view we can open. It's called Open specdev, that will show us the list of features and requirements, design, and tasks. And then here I will say looks good. Implement the first task. Now it will start to implement the actual Python code. Now, after it generated some Python code, I can review what it did. Then I can say mark this as done, and then proceed with the next task. And then here in the tasks document, This should be marked as done, and it will start to implement the data model. And this is just an early version. There are a lot of things to do to make it easier to use, but so far I think it's working.